This is part 2 of the making venison sausage. Now what I did was I took my coarse ground meat, which is this stuff over here. I spiced it, mixed it up, let it chill in the refrigerator for a couple hours. Then I put it back through my grinder with a finer plate and ground it into a finer grind. It has all your spices in it. You can see the white parts that are fat content. You want the fat content so your meat's not too dry. And we're making kind of an Italian sausage blend. It's a recipe that started out with my father, and we've modified it and tweaked it to our use. And you just have to do the same with your own, because I'm not giving you mine. Look at that right there, guys. No processing fee. All done at home. So that's what it's all about. And I like the hand grinder. I have an electric, but I like the hand grinder. For one, it handles vast quantities. And for another, you don't need electricity or anything, just muscle power. Y'all take it easy, guys.